Yeah, in the poem, Avraham schickt Eliezer suchen for Yitzchak and a vibe. Abraham sends Eliezer to find a wife for Isaac. It begins, Eliezer, mein alter getreuer Knecht, nimm dem Stecken in der Hand, spann ein deine alte getreue Fies und los dich über ein Land. Well, the way that turns up in the English is, Eliezer, my trusted old serving man, it's time to be on your way. Take your laptop and go ye forth to the internet cafe. Find a wife for Isaac, my child. 1 in a million she should be, as beautiful as the sun by day, with a bundle of equity. So, Manger dealt in anachronism. I think I'm entitled to the odd anachronism in translating Manger. I'm confident that I'm sticking to the spirit of Manger's poetry when I do that.